Hello, I'm Simon from CareCo, and I'm going to show you how to assemble the Savoy Heat and Massage Riser Recliner chair. As you can see, I've taken all of the components out from the packaging and I've placed that to one side. In front of me, I have the main Savoy chair base. I have its backrest and the wings that attach onto the backrest. And in front of me, there's a transformer to connect the Savoy to the power supply. It is worth noting that you may require the help of a friend or relative to put the parts together due to their weight and size. However, I'm going to install this today by myself. To install the backrest onto the Savoy, as you can see, I've placed it face down onto the chair itself. This is to allow me to align these brackets located at the rear onto the brackets of the chair itself. I'm now going to lift it up, align the bracket on the right and then the left hand side, and once in position, bring the backrest towards me and then push down on the backrest until it clicks into position. With a firm push, you can see it's clipped and it's now assembled. With the chair back now installed, we can connect all of the electrical connections. We just need to ensure that they don't interfere with any of the framework. To install the wings onto the side of the backrest, we just ensure that we align this bracket with the bracket on the backrest itself. Also, there is a black piece of material on the bottom that faces down, and at the top it's matching material. So we align this to the bracket, push in slightly, and once it's located, simply push down and into position. We can repeat this with the left hand side. Once again, the black piece of material is at the bottom and the same matching material at the top. Align the bracket and then push into position. We can now connect the chair to the transformer and then to the power outlet. It's worth noting on the transformer itself that it has a position for a battery backup. In order to check the specifications of the battery, please either check our website or the user manual that's included with your chair. To connect the transformer to the chair, we need to lift up the clasp, connect the wire together and reposition to secure. We can now take the 3-pin plug and place that into the power outlet. With the chair now fully assembled and plugged into the wall socket, we're going to check the heat and massage and the rise and recline function of the chair. In order to do this, there are 2 handsets which will be located within the right hand side pocket. For now, we're just going to check the white handset, which is the mechanical handset for raising and lowering the chair. I'm going to start by raising the chair, and as I do so, I'm just going to stop and check that none of the wires are catching on the framework. I can now carry on. And as you can see, I'm just checking that nothing's going to catch. With that complete, I'm going to bring the chair back down. And once down, we can just check the leg rest, and also we can check the backrest. With the mechanicals of the chair now checked, we'll just check the heat and massage function. Using the other handset, there is a power button at the top, and when we press that, the handset illuminates, and we can just check that by pressing the modes, we get the different lights coming on and also the heat function. Turning that off. With that, the chair is now fully assembled and ready to be used.